This is Garry Winogrand by Hannon Brown. Background: Garry Winogrand was born January 14, 1928, in Bronx, New York. He studied photography in college, where he was taught to not only rely on conventional methods of photography, but also unique, uncommon methods. He spent most of his life taking copious amounts of pictures on the streets of New York. During his lifetime, he photographed many interesting decades and problems within the country. He died at the age of 56 in 1984. Style: Garry Winogrand was known for his New York urban photography. He incorporated all of his surroundings into his pictures. He used the buildings and backgrounds to enhance and improve the quality of his work. The lines produced by the building and streets were often seen in his photographs. He used different angles and perspectives in his pictures. He used contrasting bright whites and dark blacks to make his images more dramatic and appealing to the eye. From just a glance, some may think he was trying to capture street style. However, the purpose of many of his pictures was to convey deeper messages about conflict, affluence, and politics. Subjects: Garry Winogrand's photos pictured a variety of New Yorkers. He often took pictures of influential, wealthy citizens in their daily lives. However, he did picture middle-class and lower-class citizens as well. He pictured activists and protesters. He also took interest in photographing women and their unique lives and actions. He was able to capture people's emotions and expressions, which really helped create powerful images. Here are a few of his images. This is the first image I will critique. This is an example of one of Garry Winogrand's photos that pictures wealthy women. He can figure out that they are wealthy through context. Their outfits look expensive and they are all very put together. However, this picture isn't just about wealthy women. If people really study the picture, they'll see much more. To the left of the woman is a man in a wheelchair who looks downcast and upset. He could be homeless or just upset in his condition. To the right is a large family sitting together on a public bench. The contrast between these three different groups of people is the main focus of this picture. The wealthy women are front and center, while the man in the wheelchair and the large family are to the side. This picture also has many rules of composition. The diagonal lines created by the shadows creates a visually appealing effect. There are more lines created by the buildings in the street, and there is a lot of depth in the picture. This is the second photo. This photo pictures a woman alone walking on a busy street. The white sky contrasts well with her dark dress. The woman is looking to the side, and it makes us wonder what she is looking at. She has a stern, serious look on her face. Garry Winogrand is using the rule of thirds. The woman is not directly in the center but shifted to the side. This is balanced out by the placement of the car. There are also many vertical, horizontal, and diagonal lines in the photo. This is the third photo. This is a picture of a couple in a car. The photo looks a bit darker, so they might be going out for the night. They don't exactly look happy either. The man has some type of bandage on his nose, which makes us wonder why. Did he get surgery? Was he punched? The cars around them are moving, which gives it an interesting effect. It could symbolize how fast-paced New York nightlife is. This picture also has horizontal and diagonal lines. This is the fourth picture. This picture shows 5 women eating through a window. 2 of the women don't notice the photograph being taken, while 2 others seem somewhat annoyed or confused by it. However, the woman in the middle looks to be subtly smiling about the fact that someone is taking her picture. The window in the picture is framing the woman, while there is a reflection of the building across from the woman in the glass. This is the 5th picture. This picture seems to show a couple dancing together or simply embracing. We can't see the man's face, but the woman is clearly laughing or is very happy about something. This makes people wonder what could have possibly made her so effusive. The contrast of the colors is great. The brightest part of the photo is the woman's face, which can help express her happiness. Thank you.